I'm going to bring on our next guest, Dr. Rolf Biernath. Been waiting for a while. Thank you for waiting, Dr. Biernath. Welcome to the show.
Hello. Good to talk to you guys. Hi.
Thank you. Hopefully, been able to hear what we've been chatting about so far.
Yeah, I sure have. And actually, your third question that you said was a softball for you is actually a softball for me too, as well.
Okay, good. Love it. So tell us about what you do at Biernath Consulting.
Basically, it all started out, I grew up in a family business, tinkered away at things, took things apart, never put them back together again. My dad put up with that. But what I learned from him was he imported tools for the woodworking industry and brought a lot of innovations to market, one of which was, I won't go into the details, but Makita was one of them. And there I learned the value of innovation to grow small businesses because I saw how his investments in bringing new products and innovations to market to his customers really paid off. I mean, it gave me a good way to grow up and live. I didn't appreciate it as much at the time, but it's pretty amazing. Now, fast move the clock up a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm retired from 3M. I got my PhD, chemical engineer, 35 years of experience, 57 or more patents at this point. And what it really kind of points out to is I like to envision new products and help to make those real and practical. And I've done that with people in my career as well as consultant. I've got numerous clients at this point that have protected their stuff with IP, and that's really important. So, I mean, the role you guys play with patents and trademarks can't be underlined and bolded enough. So I like your bold, but it needs even more because it really is the only way to protect the value. People copy things so quickly nowadays that it's hard to do that. But what I also have passion about right now is I bring AI and IoT and other emerging technologies into existing products that are out in the marketplace. And I help the business owners do that, help them incorporate it into their products.
Are you up here in Minnesota?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, you are? Okay. Me too.
Yeah. Gotcha. So the storms just came through.
Did you hear it in his voice, right? Matt? How did you know? Was there some sort of a hand signal that he gave you or what?
Yes. Yeah. There's a secret digital handshake.
Yes. We can't disclose it though. So sorry. You'll have to
I want to examine your website a little bit. So you do some consulting work. So you help inventors, entrepreneurs, business owners with, like you said, this type of stuff.
Sure do. And so I help people who have a lot of ideas sort through their ideas to pick out which are the ones to actually move forward on. There's two types of people out there. One of which is idea people, and they have lots of ideas. They just keep on generating them, and they can't figure out which one to execute on to take it forward, and so end up doing too many things at once and not getting anything done. Or you've got people that they've gotten one product out there, or they've got a service business or a product that they've inherited or gotten somehow, but they don't know how to bring new technology into it. And those are the kind of people I like to work with, both sides. Probably more the people where I can go to and say, hey, did you know that you could add this feature to your product?
Yeah,
would that interest your customers? So that's kind of the funnest role I've been playing, and that leads to some business because I get to help them execute it and do that. But then, coaching them on getting trademarks and filing patents and copyrights where they can. I don't actually give them the coaching on how to do that. I just tell them you need to work with an attorney to do that.
Call Matt and you call JD.
Absolutely. Yeah. Well, love it. When you've got the 57 patents on your own to kind of back it up, and you're not just talking. It's not just lip service. You've been through the process before. If you don't mind, I'd love to put you on the spot. And we've got someone just right here, Michael Malinsky. You got a product. I wouldn't say it's high tech, but let's talk. Let's say hypothetically he was.
We need to put the 3M reflective tape on this thing.
Oh, okay.
Sure. Okay. Gotcha.
How would you advise someone like Michael if they come and just talk to you? The first discussion. What are some of the things you might talk about?
One of the first things I talk about is just making sure he's got some NDAs in place with anybody he's talking to, including me.
And the millions of people watching today. No, we need an NDA. No, just kidding. Oh, please. That's a great one.
Yeah, but no, I mean, that would be, if he was giving me his brand new idea that he's floating around in his head, maybe is still in the process of some genesis even, where I might end up becoming a co-inventor with him by US law, just because I help him figure out the step that he couldn't figure out on his own, whether it be putting foam in there or air bubbles or, I don't know quite how you did it there. I couldn't make it out from the video, but it's probably foam or some compressible or so. Ask him what options he's considered and kind of just start exploring with him there. There's many directions, it's like part of the question is he trying to hone in on his solution? He's already identified the market. He knows people need it and he's just trying to fine tune it for that market. Or is he still in the process of generating the bloom of the idea from which the fruit will ultimately come off of? So,
Michael, where are you on?
Well, so I'm guilty of being that idea guy. Like I've had so many ideas, and the whole reason why I got this one off the ground is because like I went into New Year's like I'm gonna finally do this. My wife was like, "I'm so sick of hearing all your ideas. Will you just finally like do one?" I was like, "Fine, I will. Dare me to." So yeah, one of my struggles is putting my energy into this one thing and not getting distracted by the million other things out there. So I haven't had NDAs set up with anybody. It's because I'm in a small town. It's like, oh, trust and a handshake, but we all know how far that really goes in a court of law. Yeah, I'm targeting the young swimmers. The number one cause of death in the United States for children 5 and under is drowning. It's accidental drowning, and it's number 2 for kids 6 to 10. So I'm full force trying to get this out there, and every day that goes by, the stat is literally like 2.5 drownings per day. That's 5 every 2 days, and the longer it takes me, to get this thing out there, the more my heart breaks. I really feel a social need to do something because whatever we're doing, in the U.S. isn't working right now.
Awesome. Well, it sounds like a heck of a mission, and this is, hopefully we're able to provide some additional platform and publicity here with this program today. Maybe some last couple minutes here, going over to you, Mr. Biernath. I mean, so looking at some of the big, huge golden nuggets, that you try to pass along to clients that are kind of in this stage where they're trying to still find that addressable market, ways they can improve a product. What would you say to someone in that situation? What are some things that they should try to do? Have success?
Short of the snarky one, which is give me a call, or schedule some time on my website there. Short of that one, there's a number of things. I think the suggestion to search on Google Patents, or there's a couple other patent databases out there that are free. Those are really good. Just throw in your keywords and see what comes out. The patent office has a weird way of defining terms, though. So sometimes even just a Google search or any of the other search engines can really help with that. But that's the first thing, is kind of just make sure it's not already out there. Make sure it's unique. So because if you're an idea person and your idea is already out there, okay, chalk one up. It was a good idea. Somebody's already out there with it. Move on and find the next idea.
Right.
It will certainly come up for you because problem solvers have that kind of encoded in their brain. So they just do that. So
perfect.